Hello guys, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome. Today we're gonna look at one very interesting product. This is the ultimate sentence that I say every time. Anyway, today we have some cool pairs of wireless earpods. This is i12 TWS earpods. They are little bit copy of Apple Airpods. Basically, they're a copy of Apple Airpods for the amazing price of $12 or $13. You can have this copy, and I decided to make this video so we can test how good they are and is it worth it to give $13 for them, because I think they're not that bad. That's my personal opinion, and I will show you why. First, we see on the box how they look. The box looks exactly like the Apple Airpods box, except that it's written i12 TWS and a little bit more stuff. It's a little bit more lighter. It's called True Wireless Stereo i12. That's the full name of them. They're stereo. They are on auto pairing mode. They can connect with Siri. They can, you open the lip and they connect immediately with your phone because they have Bluetooth 5.0. Basically, they're full copy of Apple Airpods. The charging time is around 40 minutes and it's 2-3 hours of music you can listen. Maybe the battery is not that good as the Apple Airpods, but that doesn't matter. You can have them in different colors: black, gray, green and red. Let's open the box now and see what is waiting us inside. These kind of boxes are a little bit hard to open. Okay, this is a protective foil, remove it. And here they are. We see their case. It looks exactly like the Apple Airpods case, despite the fact that it's a little bit more lighter. We have the button here that you can switch it on with. Basically, they're one copy, very goodly made copy. It's magnetic with magnetic lip. The charging place, we remove that. Underneath we see the cable, which is also suitable to charge your iPhone with because it's completely one and the same. And the quick guide. This is it in the box. This is how they look. What will you say, guys? Is it a complete copy of Apple Airpods? I think yes. They look very alike. I had Apple Airpods before, and the only difference I noticed that this one are a little bit more bulky here, and maybe the feeling is that it's a little bit more plasticky, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean they're bad, because in the box we're reading about that they're stereo, that are with 3D sound, they have noise cancelling microphone, and they also have touch control and special sensor on top of them. They look very alike. Okay, the quality from first look looks a little bit lower, but we don't care about this because it only costs $13, and if you compare them with the Apple Airpods, who are like 200 maybe, I shouldn't complain. And when you open the magnetic clip, you can see light inside. That disappeared right now. It didn't disappear, look. And guess what I have, guys? I have iPhone. So let's connect them with my iPhone. I open them. I go into Bluetooth settings. I put them in my ears. Apple Airpods connect automatically when you put them in your ears. Let's see if it's the same with this one. As you see, they're even registered as AirPods from my phone. We connect them. i12. We press done. Everything was on 100%, exactly the same interface as if you use original AirPods. I played this song right now. Here how they look and fit in the ear. They're maybe a little bit bigger. What happened here? As far as I noticed, the sensor is pretty strong. Let's see if I remove one of them. Okay, the music didn't stop. When you press them here, you change the song. When you put them twice, you change the song. When you put once, it only stops. Good. When you do here, okay, you go back. The touch sensor is pretty good. Now let me show you what's the maximum level of the sound. The sound quality is not bad at all. I would say that for the price range they're 8 out of 10. I told you I had Apple AirPods before. I lost them in a taxi. But these one are not bad at all. And they connect with Siri. They are registered by the iPhone perfectly. I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. Stop, play, stop, play. Good, good. And 2 times to change the song. And 2 times to go back. I really like them. For the price you get is more than enough. These 2 little guys are pretty amazing for the price of $13. They're one copy with Apple AirPods. The quality of the package is not the same, and the quality of the the craftsmanship is also not the same, but what you receive like options is pretty much same. It's working with Siri, the sound is stereo, it's 3D, it has noise cancelling mic, it has that touch feature here on the top, 2 touches to change the song, 1 touch to stop it, and the left one goes back. So I'm happy with these products for the price. I recommend to anybody who wants wireless earpods but don't have much money to buy something more expensive. This is also a very good option. I'm sure you can find them on AliExpress or Banggood or some other sites. I will look for Amazon links for you. And if you live in Bulgaria, you can check ofisite.bg because they have it for 26 level, which is also around $13. Thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on all social media.